Welcome to the Digital Growth Hack Club, where we help you elevate your business and your bottom line. Here is your host, Jenny Jones.
Hey, this is Jenny Jones, Digital Growth Hacks Club. Hey, listen, wanted to give you one more VIP look at some of the things we have inside the VIP. The VIP will be open again until the end of this week. And then I'm going to close it down. I probably won't open it back up until next year. But I wanted to give you a behind the scenes, and I wanted to give you a peek inside and wanted to share something with you that I'm not going to share anywhere else. And I only have about 24 hours to share it with you. So I want to share with you, first of all, I think I've talked you through this once before. You probably can see one of my other VIP episodes where I showed you this was one of my most producing landing pages that I had as the best retirement coaching system ever created. It's the perfect retirement blueprint. Sells for $34.79. Now, this is everything that you get inside of a retirement plan, one-on-one coaching, Social Security income estimator helps you calculate your income and all that. But I'm only showing you this, and I think I had another video that I was sharing with you because I want to share with you the secret on how I put this together. One of my most profitable courses is I got all of this from a company by the name of Samcart. I use Samcart for some of my sales, and I use it for other things as well. I use it also. This is for my retirement plan. I also use it for I have a 2x coaching blueprint program. How you can 10x your sales if you're a coach. You're able to do that in 4 lessons, 2 hours of coursework. And I do this challenge and some other stuff. This is the course that goes. So what I do with that landing page is a course that I just showed you. That's a course, but this is a landing page that actually goes into a course as well. You can enroll and go into this course. Actually, my blueprint is just something that you can buy, and it's an extension of another course and a master class that I do. This is one that I actually do inside of the purchase. Once you make the purchase, it takes you automatically inside the course. Now, both of these are done by a company by the name of Samcart. I want to introduce that to you because I've talked about it in the past before, but they just came out with something fantastic. And it's 24 hours left to get it at a 50% discount. They came out what's called Creator U. And it's called Creator U because it's a university that they created. And they have a 50% discount going on right now. As of right now, there's 20 hours to act on this. And let me tell you one of the best things that I did by working and partnering with Samcart as far as being an affiliate for them. They have what they created, the Creator U. They have this powerful, packed amount of lessons you can get. Each lesson sells for about $200 a piece. There's about 11 courses in here. It's about $2,200 worth of courses. This is one that I love. This one, How to Scale with Mike Dillard. This guy was making $30 million a year with his course. He showed you how to properly scale. He kind of talked about some of the mistakes that he made, and people want to grow too fast and they overspend and they exceed their expenses. Some very powerful. There's some other tools in here. We have return over ad spend. What kind of return are you getting on the ad spend that you're putting out for Facebook ads? Very up to date. It's not dated. It's not 4 or 5 years old. It's very updated. This is the one right here, the Black Box training. Want the world's top conversion techniques? We'll reveal the hidden strategies our top sellers are using to 2x and 4x their sales and profits. I want to show you guys, at least give you an idea of what's inside that. Because if you take that and then you take the Samcart one-page blueprint, which is what I used for this is one page. This is one page, people. One page, right? I'm showing you all the things that a person gets in that one page, and then a person just checks out at the end, right? These are called one-page blueprints. You sell the offer, show them what it's going to consist of, right? And then they just make the purchase at the end. Now, they have on here, you mix that one pager with the black box training, you are going to do some magical things. But what I wanted to show to you, and I want to get this out so you guys can take a look at it, is they have a Facebook Ads Academy. It's updated, right? They have 4 steps to launch. Need help launching? Get the 4-step process for launching your own 6-figure business, ebook, or mini course. That's in here. The podcast launch, how to properly launch your podcast, leverage your content. This guy, James Wedmore, he talks about putting out one video and making multiple sales across multiple channels off of one video. So he's leveraging the content that you put out. All right. And so instead of creating a different video or creating different content, you can create one piece of content and share it across different mediums. And he showed you how to maximize that. We got something in here for Instagram followers. We got something here for YouTube, traffic tactics. How do you get traffic to your website? The upsell playbook, right? The ultimate upsell script, Forex formula, right? Scaling with Samcart is in here. The 1-page masterclass. That is a beast, right? That's in here, right? And so you have the creation masterclass. You don't have anything to sell. Discover how to create a new digital product, physical product, or service in a weekend. This is some crazy stuff, people, and I wanted to get it to you guys. I'm only going to offer it through my VIP, but this is a VIP. You guys are going to see a precursor because there's other things I'm going to be getting for you guys. Amy Porterfield's in here. If you don't know Amy Porterfield, she's done over 34 million just in courses alone. She's a powerhouse. She's in here. She's talking about how do you sell mini orders between your upsells and your major course launches. All of this is all packed. And if you want to get live, if you want to go with some of their live people, like Pat Flynn's going to be there. He's going to be speaking live. Ashely Ann Jones, she's a beast on Instagram. I've seen her in action. All these people, the video hype machine, right? How to create those perfect videos, the hype, building a profitable YouTube business, ad secrets from 32 million in Facebook ads. These people are phenomenal. You can get them. They'll be live if you buy both of these. And listen, you can get both of these right now, 50% off. It's 50% off right now. So it's $59. And they have a 30-day guarantee, 30-day money-back guarantee. They have it. So they're taking all the risks to give you all of these assets. They're giving you all the assets, at least the ones in the blue. You get some of the red ones, the ones that are live. You'll get some of those in the 30 days, but you'll have access to the ones that's already pre-recorded already. You get all of that for if you did the Creator U. With the live, you pay the $179. You'll get everything in blue, and you'll also pick up red because they'll be doing 2 classes a month for this one. That's the $179. That's powered. That's live, right? And you get the live sessions, and you can ask questions and things of that nature. So you get to speak to Pat Flynn live. That's crazy, right? But if you just wanted a university, you can just go get that for $59, and they're going to be adding more classes. This right here is over $3,000 worth of classes. But I want to show you, I'm going to go inside. I want to show you. I got to show you this one. Because if you get Samcart, I'm going to put a link in there to get a 14-day trial. If you did the Samcart Black Box training, along with getting Samcart, you will explode. Now, let me show you what that looks like inside. So I am inside Creator U right now. Of course, I purchased it. I put my money where my mouth is, right? How to scale. I'm telling you, Mike Dillard is a beast, right? That guy, he grew 3 different companies to 3 different companies. I think they did 24 million a piece or something like that. And he talks about some of the big guys that do it, the Robert Kiyosaki's and all of those guys. All right, so let's look and see what's inside the black box. What you would get inside of there, this is the black box special. You get the backwards video timer, right? Setting up video timers backwards. You get the service stuffer. How do you want this to go with that? You want that to go with that. You want peanut butter to go with the jelly. You want the milk to go with the cookies, right? The payment plan harvesting. How to show people how to do different payment plans, right? The call to action widgets. The $1 bump sale, right? And the ultimate tripwire. This is gold, people. This is the Samcart Black Box. You mix that. I'm going to throw in a 14-day trial of Samcart in there as well. And you get to have all of these classes. This is crazy. This is crazy, people. You can't get this $3,000 worth of classes. You cannot get $3,000 worth of classes, right? You cannot get that for $59 anywhere. So, of course, obviously, I bought them both because I'm a student. I love learning. Let's see what you can get in here. This is the Going Pro Starter Kit. Launching your own business, online business must be done in a firm foundation. Going Pro Starter Kit. Let's see what you get in there. Wow. These has 4 downloads. You get the 4 lessons plus the downloads. The Going Pro Game Plan, the Going Pro Manifesto, the Missing Chapter, the 18 Laws of Going Pro. All of that's in here. You can get all of this for 30 days, $59. It's why you only have about 20 hours less. I'm going to put the link below. You can get access to that. I'm going to also put a 14-day trial in there for Samcart as well. I use Samcart. I love Samcart. Everything is easy to navigate. If you want me to walk you through the back end of Samcart, just let me know. I'll put that up in the VIP. Before we close, the VIP is only going to be open for another 3 days. It's been open for the last couple of months. It's only going to be open for 3 more days. And then I will not open it again until next year. If you already have signed up for the VIP, check your email. You should already have your invite, your personal invite to the VIP in there. If not, let me know or comment below. Hey, Jenny, I didn't get mines. And then what I'll do is I'll send you to a link. You'll be able to get that and you'll be able to pick it up. The VIP is starting. The community should be up and running full-fledged in the next 2 to 3 weeks. The Digital Growth Hacks Club is up and running. I'm running it in beta right now, but we're getting ready to launch. And this is other stuff I'll be doing, and I'll be walking you through some of this stuff and some other stuff to kind of show you how to grow and scale your business. Is what we do here. Hey, listen, this has been Jenny Jones, Digital Growth Hacks Club. Listen, please like, subscribe, comment below. If you want to reward me, if you don't buy anything from me, if you want me to keep coming back and sharing some different hacks with you, at least comment below. Hey, Jenny, liked it, didn't like it, keep going, way to go, or something like that. And that'll talk to the YouTube algorithm and allow me to keep putting up good content and sharing with these digital hacks. This is great. Download those, get those. You can watch it live. Download. This is crazy. All right. So again, hey, this has been Jenny Jones. You guys take care. Goodbye for now. Don't forget to get one of those links. 14-day trial and a 30-day money-back guarantee on this. This is some good stuff. You guys take care. Goodbye.
Thank you for joining us here on the Digital Growth Hack Club, where we help you elevate your business and your bottom line. Please do not forget to subscribe and share. And until next time, goodbye for now.